Brandon Simmons here, and I'm here to talk to some of my wonderful coaching students. Some of you have still done very little marketing. Some of you have called maybe just a few people. Some of you have not even sent out any RVMs yet, or any postcards. And yet we're expecting to hold a nice fat check with a couple zeros on it. But it's not going to happen until you solve that problem. And I got the solution for you. It's 3 little words. Just do it. Just do it. When it comes to RVMs, just do it. When it comes to postcards, just do it. When it comes to doing any of this marketing, get it done, get it out, just do it, and make some money. Okay? Good luck, make some money, get the marketing out, and just do it!